Question 11. Find the sum of the first 8 terms. So we want to find the S8. So we know that the A is 4. The R is 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So the S8 is A 2 power 8 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Okay, so we have the 8 times 2 to the power of 8 minus 1. So this will be the answer. Okay, so 2040. So the Sn is AR n power 1 n r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So the A for this case is 729. The R is 243 over 729, that is 1 over 2. So the S8 will be 729, 1 minus 1 over 2 power 8 divided by 1 minus 1 over 3. Okay, so we have the 729 bracket 1 minus 1 over 3 to the power of 8, and I close the bracket 1 minus 1 over 3. So this will be the answer. Okay, and actually if I use the same formula here, instead of I use the 1 over 3 minus 1, instead of the I use the r minus 1, r power n minus 1, instead of 1 minus r. Actually, their answer will be the same. Okay, so if you are not sure whether you have to use the Sn equal to a 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. So for this case, so this is the r less than -1 or r greater than 1. For this one, the r is between -1 and 1. You just use either one. Both will give you the same answer. No problem. Okay. Okay. If we use the r is between -1 and 1, then later we'll have the sum to infinity. So the uh uh so a1 minus r. So later we will get the s infinity to equal to a over 1 minus r. So no problem, you use either one also will give you the same answer for Sn. So for this one is 1093 and 1 over 3. Okay. This is 2 minus 1. 8 times 2 power 8 minus 1. A is 4. It's 4. Okay, I make a mistake here. It is 4. Okay, so this one is not 20. This will be the 1020. Okay, instead of that. Okay, so just now this should be 4. Okay, I make a mistake. Okay, so C, the A is 2 and the R is -6 over 2, that is -3. So the S8 will be 2 -3 power 8 minus 1 divided by -3 divide minus -1. Okay, so I have the 2 bracket -3 power 8 minus 1 divided by negative 3 minus 1. So the answer will be negative 3280. Okay. So for this case, the A is negative 5000. The R is 1000 divided by negative 5000. That is the negative 1 over 5, negative 0.2. So the SA will be negative 5000. 1 minus negative 0.2 to the power 8 divided by 1 minus negative 0.2. So I have the negative 5000, 1 minus negative 0.2 to the power of 8 divided by 1 plus 0.82. So the answer will be negative 4166.656. Okay, question number 12. The first four terms of GP are these. Find the smaller number of terms that will give a sum greater than 2 million. So the A is 1, the R is 3 over 1, 3. So Sn is A R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. So the Sn greater than 2 million. Then we have the 1 3 power n minus 1 over 3 minus 1 greater than 2 million. Okay, so we have the 3 power n minus 1 greater than 4 million. Why it is 4 million? Because this is 2. So I multiply with 2. So the 3 power n greater than 4 million and 1. So we ln both sides. N ln 3 greater than the ln 4 million and 1. So the n will greater than ln 4 million and 1 divided by ln 3. So the n greater than. Okay. So we have the ln 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Then divide by the ln 3. So the answer is 13.83. So 13.84. Therefore, the n is 14. So now, if I find for the S40, so the S14, so we have the 1 times 3 power 14 minus 1 divided by the 3 minus 1, then this is the value. Okay, so this is the S14 greater than 2 million. Okay, if we have the S13, so this one we have the 13 here is this. So this is less than 2 million. Okay,